आपका हाई पेइंग फाइनेंस जॉब लेने का ड्रीम कंप्लीटली स्टॉल हो जाएगा अगर आप अलग अलग यूट्यूब चैनल से स्कैटर्ड स्किल्स सीखकर सोचते हैं कि टॉप रिक्रूटर्स आपको डायरेक्टली शॉर्टलिस्ट कर लेंगे। वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल गाइस। लुक, 2026 में every BCom, BBA, engineering graduate and MBA aspirants wants to break into the financial analysis, FP&A, fintech or the investment banking. You watch 50 different videos telling you to learn Excel, financial modeling, SQL, Power BI, and AI. The real crisis is no one tells you the correct order and no one gives you the real world mentorship or placement support. In today's video, I am laying out the exact 2026 finance and tech roadmap and showing you why Masai's finance and technology program, built with premier institutes like IITs and IIMs, has become the ultimate structured shortcut to go from zero to job ready. If you are serious about your career, then stick around till the very end. चलो पहले समझते हैं कि कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस एक्सपेक्टेशंस 2026 में बदल क्यों चुकी हैं। फाइनेंस इज नो लॉन्गर जस्ट अबाउट बुकिश अकाउंटिंग। टॉप रिक्रूटर्स वांट प्रोफेशनल्स हु अंडरस्टैंड नंबर्स प्लस डेटा टेक प्लस एआई टुगेदर, and that is exactly why traditional degrees or self study crash courses fail. They don't teach you how to use SQL or data extraction, Power BI for financial reporting, or AI co-pilots for the model automation. This is where Masai completely disrupts the market. Masai has evolved from a coding bootcamp into India's fastest growing online career school. They have built an AI first skills to job ecosystem across domains, partnering with 16 plus institutes of national importance, including the top IITs, IIMs, and the global giants like PwC Academy. You aren't just learning concepts, you are building credentials designed directly with the industry leaders. Here is the exact 9 step roadmap you need to master and how Masai executes it for you step by step. Step number 1 and 2 is the advanced Excel and accounting fundamentals. Every finance role starts with Excel dashboards, financial formulas, and three statement accounting, that is P&L, balance sheet, and cash flows. Masai's foundational modules train you on practical data manipulation from day one. Step 3 and 4 is the financial analysis and financial modeling. Next, you need ratio analysis, valuation, and three statement financial modeling. This is the core of Masai's curriculum, teaching you how to build real revenue forecasts and business projections that investment banks and corporate finance teams look for. Step 5 and 6 is the data tech, SQL, and Power BI. Modern finance runs on data. Masai integrates the SQL for data querying and Power BI for executive reporting, turning you into a tech enabled finance analyst. Steps 7, 8, and 9 are the AI tools, the live projects, and the interview prep. Finally, you master the AI tools like ChatGPT, Excel Copilot for the automated research. But here is the best part: Masai doesn't stop at theory. You build real capstone projects, construct an industry ready portfolio, and undergo continuous mock interviews, resume reviews, and behavioral prep. Everything is mapped directly into getting you hired. And let's be 100% honest, boss. Why do most people quit self study midway? Because learning randomly from 10 different creators gives you scattered knowledge, zero accountability, and no real world feedback. When you hit a roadblock in financial modeling or SQL, there is no mentor to guide you. And this is why Masai's structured program is a game changer. You earn certifications and credits tied to premier partner institutes, giving your resume instant authority. As per the Masai's published outcome stats, over 10,000 plus graduates have been placed across 7,000 plus hiring companies like Swiggy, Ola, Meesho, and Capgemini, with a reported 94% placement rate and a 6.1 LPA average package. It is 100% online, meaning you can complete it alongside your college degree or a full time job. And Masai connects you directly with the hiring recruiters through their AI powered placement network. Now, let's address the two most common questions. the cost and the eligibility. So सबसे पहले तो it is definitely an affordable prepaid pricing. Unlike the traditional residential MBA or the finance master's program that costs you somewhere between 10 to 20 lakhs, Masai operates on an affordable prepaid model starting around 60,000 for certain tracks, giving you top tier institute value at the fraction of the cost. Second is the qualifier test. आप सोच रहे होंगे, what if I don't have a finance or a coding background? Don't worry, dear. Masai is open to 12th pass learners and candidates from any background. Admission is via an aptitude based qualifier test that checks basic logical reasoning. Zero prior finance or coding knowledge is required to take it. So, to summarize it all, stop wasting months trying to piece together random videos. If you want a structured, mentor led pathway which is designed by IITs and IIMs that takes you from fundamental Excel all the way to placement ready financial modeling and AI, then Masai is your absolute best bet in 2026. And here is what you need to do right now. Click the link in the description box below. Take the Masai's aptitude qualifier test, and it takes you zero prior knowledge of coding or finance, and explore the finance and technology programs and see how it fits your career goals. याद रहे कि फाइनेंस एक ऐसी फील्ड है जहां पर सबसे ज्यादा मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट देखने को मिलता है कंपेयर टू एनी अदर फील्ड. If this video brought absolute clarity to your career path, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel guys, and comment below what is your current qualification. आप BCom कर रहे हो, BBA कर रहे हो, टेक में हो या MBA करने का सोच रहे हो, मैं हर एक कमेंट का पर्सनली रिप्लाई करूंगी. Stay structured, choose the right ecosystem and go conquer the world. See you in the next masterclass guys. Bye bye.